Double-hung window installation in New Orleans is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our double-hung windows New Orleans expert team specializes in providing top-notch window installation New Orleans services, ensuring that each double-hung window is perfectly fitted to enhance your home's beauty and energy efficiency. Window replacement services in New Orleans are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our New Orleans window replacement experts offer a wide range of energy-efficient windows Louisiana residents trust to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for any Louisiana homeowner. Our energy-efficient windows Louisiana services focus on providing solutions that help reduce energy consumption while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Custom double-hung windows New Orleans solutions are available for those seeking unique designs and styles. Our custom windows New Orleans services cater to the specific needs and preferences of each client, ensuring a perfect match for any architectural style. Window replacement experts in New Orleans are ready to tackle any issue, from minor replacements to major restorations. Our window replacement New Orleans team is skilled in addressing all types of window problems, ensuring your windows remain functional and attractive. Vinyl window options are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl windows New Orleans services offer a variety of styles and colors to suit any home design, providing long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Historic window restoration is a specialized service we offer to preserve the charm and character of older homes. Our historic windows New Orleans experts are skilled in restoring and maintaining the original beauty of historic windows while improving their functionality. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window frame replacement Louisiana services ensure that your windows remain secure and properly aligned, preventing drafts and energy loss. Window glass replacement is often necessary for damaged or outdated windows. Our window glass replacement New Orleans services provide high-quality glass options to enhance the appearance and performance of your windows. Window maintenance services in New Orleans are essential for keeping your windows in top condition. Our window maintenance New Orleans team offers comprehensive services to ensure your double-hung windows New Orleans remain clean, functional, and energy efficient. Window hardware upgrades can enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Our window hardware New Orleans services include a wide range of options to improve the performance and appearance of your windows. Window sealing services are vital for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our window sealing New Orleans experts use high-quality materials to ensure a tight seal, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Window insulation solutions are designed to improve the energy efficiency of your home. Our window insulation New Orleans services provide effective insulation options to keep your home comfortable year-round. Window design consultation is available for homeowners seeking expert advice on window styles and options. Our window design New Orleans team offers personalized consultations to help you choose the perfect windows for your home. Window measurement services ensure a perfect fit for your new windows. Our window measurement New Orleans experts provide accurate measurements to guarantee a seamless installation process.